Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Hit the road. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me clarify the possible misunderstanding of the idiom's literal meaning. Imagine someone saying, "I'm going to hit the road." And you think they are going to physically hit the road. But the idiom means to leave or start a journey. The idiom "hit the road" means to leave or start a journey. You can use it when you are about to leave a place or begin a trip. To remember the idiom's meaning, think of hitting the road as starting your journey or hitting the gas pedal to leave. Let me introduce a story using "hit the road." Tom decided to hit the road and start his journey to pursue his dream. He packed his bags and said goodbye to his family and friends. He felt a mix of excitement and nervousness as he hit the road. After a few hours, he realized he had forgotten his phone charger. But it was too late to turn back. He had hit the road and was determined to make the most of his journey. Here are 10 fun facts about "hit the road." 1. The idiom originated in the US in the early 1900s. 2. It was first used in a song by Ray Charles. 3. It's also a song by the band Simple Plan. 4. It's been used in several movies and TV shows. 5. The idiom is often used to tell someone to leave. 6. It can also be used to encourage someone to start a new journey. 7. The idiom can be used in both formal and informal settings. 8. It's a common phrase used in business to indicate the start of a new project. 9. Hit the road, Jack is a popular variation of the idiom. 10. The idiom can also be used to indicate the end of a relationship or job. Let me share some example sentences using "hit the road." 1. It's getting late. We should hit the road if we want to get there on time. 2. I've been here for too long. It's time to hit the road and move on. 3. The concert was amazing, but it's time to hit the road and head back home. 4. I'm tired of this job. I think it's time to hit the road and find something new. 5. We've been here for a week. It's time to hit the road and explore new places. Sentence: I'm ready to hit the road and start my journey. Rephrased sentence 1. I'm ready to leave and begin my trip. Rephrased sentence 2. I'm ready to start my journey and say goodbye. Let me share a real-life story highlighting the impact of "hit the road." After years of working in the same job, John decided to hit the road and start his own business. It was a difficult decision, but he knew he had to take the leap. After a few months of hard work and determination, John's business started to take off. He was grateful he had hit the road and pursued his dream. Now, he encourages others to hit the road and follow their passions. Here are some similar expressions to "hit the road." 1. Hit the trail. 2. Take off. 3. Get going. 4. Set out. 5. Depart. Here are some opposite expressions to "hit the road." 1. Stay put. 2. Hang around. 3. Stick around. 4. Remain. 5. Stay. Here are some related idioms to "hit the road." 1. Pack your bags. 2. Take a hike. 3. On the road again. 4. Off to a flying start. 5. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let me introduce a story using the related idiom "pack your bags." Samantha was tired of her routine and decided to pack her bags and go on an adventure. She had always dreamed of traveling the world and experiencing new cultures. She spent weeks planning her trip and packing her bags. Finally, the day arrived, and Samantha was ready to hit the road. She felt a mix of excitement and nervousness as she embarked on her journey. Let's test your understanding of hit the road. Which of the following is the correct definition of hit the road? A. To physically hit the road with your hand. B. To start a journey or leave. C. To stay put and not move. Answer B. Hit the road means to start a journey or leave. In summary, hit the road means to leave or start a journey. Remember to think of hitting the road as starting your journey or hitting the gas pedal to leave. Don't forget the related idioms, fun facts, and example sentences. Now, it's your turn to use hit the road in an encouraging phrase. Share your thoughts in the comments below.